So if you didn't want to trowel glue on the floor, you can use the Applicator 90 either for glue assist or full trowel with the MS262. So there is a tube of glue in here. The gun and the glue is pretty heavy, so that's why the stand is so important. You don't want to lean the gun up against a wall because there is potential you could bend the rod. Uh, and it just makes it nice and clean. You see I have a bucket under here with a liner. That way if any glue drips, it drips into the bucket. We'll show later on of how to assemble it out of the case. So you just grab the gun. It comes with nice roller wheels. I've got the 12-inch tip on here. It's 4-inch product, so we're going to do a foot at a time. Just a matter of squeezing the trigger. And you want nice straight lines. That's all there is to it. Hey, it's Jeff again from Loba-Wakol, showing you what you get with the Applicator 90 kit. It comes in a really durable hard plastic gun case, so you don't have to worry about the tool getting damaged in your van or on the job site. So that's a big advantage in this kit. So when you open it up, everything is tightly packed in foam, so you know where everything goes. You're not forgetting anything on the job. So when you open it up, you get your 2 stands. We'll show how to use those in a second. Again, nicely tight foam, all cut to where things go. You'll get 2 applicators, a 12 and a 6-inch, 2 18-volt batteries, battery charger. You get of course, the applicator nozzle, the pieces for the 12-inch, and then the pieces for the 6-inch are right there. You get a carry handle to put around the barrel if you choose that. Of course, a battery charger, warranty, and instructions. So if you're on a job site, you just simply take everything out you're going to need. We'll leave the batteries in there. Close up the case. Put your stands in. There's little holes in the bottom case that these lock into, so you know you got them in correctly. So the gun doesn't fall. Set your gun up. A lot of guys stage their glue right here. There's a spot for a bucket or a trash can to catch anything that drips off the gun when you're not using it, and you're good to go. So a lot of guys ask about these disposable tips, whether you have to throw them away at the end of every day or not. At the end of the job, yeah, just throw them away. There's no way to clean them out. But if it's the end of the day and you're going to use the gun again tomorrow on the same job, clean this off really well with our cleaning wipes, and then put some tape over these holes. That'll keep the glue somewhat fresh. In the morning, take the tape off. Make sure these holes are cleaned and ready for glue to come out of them. And then you can start using the gun. If they're plugged up, yeah, definitely throw it away so we don't damage anything on the gun.